Now we are going to discuss process priorities. Changing a process's priority is doing nothing more than devoting more or fewer CPU cycles to a process. This could be useful on a web server where you want to devote more of the processor's time to the web server daemon so that it could answer requests for web pages quicker. On the other hand, you could have a process that is using up more CPU resources that you would like dedicated to other tasks, so you throttle back that process's CPU usage. When we modify a process's CPU usage, we are changing its nice value. Nice values range from -20 to 19, with -20 being the highest nice value and 19 being the lowest nice value. The higher the number, the less CPU time a process gets. The default value that a process gets when it starts is 0, which is right around the middle of the nice scale. To start a process with a specific nice level, we use the nice command. Let's say that we wanted to start the FTP service with a higher priority than normal. We could do so with the following command. With this command, we are starting our FTP service with a nice value of -10, which grants the FTP service more CPU cycles than it would have with the default nice value of 0. We can verify that we have started our process with a higher nice value by checking the output of our ps command. The first number is the PID, or process identifier. Next, we are looking for the nice level and the name of the command that corresponds to this process. And we have confirmed that the VSFTP daemon is running with a nice value of -10. We can also take the PID number and use it to change the nice level again, while the process is already running. To change the nice value of a process already started, we use the renice command. Let's use the renice command to decrease the nice value of our VSFTPD process. With this command, we are specifying that we want the priority of our FTP service to have a nice level of -5. We can also use the top command to change and view nice levels. We could run top by itself, or we can pass only the PID of the process we wish to monitor. And here we see only the details of our VSFTPD service. The NI right here is referring to the process's nice level, and we can see that it is -5. We can easily change the nice value of the running VSFTPD process while in top. To do this, press the R key to renice a process, then enter the PID of the process, then the renice value we wish the process to have. Immediately, the new nice value is applied and we have instant feedback of that nice value. As root, we can change the nice level for any process on the system. Regular users can only change the nice level for processes they own. Changing a nice value on a process is probably not something that you will have to do very often, but it is useful if you have single function systems where you would want that function to have a little bit more performance.